Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're going to use ChatGPT to make a game in Python.
So today we're going to use ChatGPT to make a rock, paper, scissors game with a power-up in Python. So I encountered a lot of bugs and we fixed them all. And here's the game. So by the way, the double down power-up lets you use 2 items in one round. Like you can choose paper and scissors in one round. And we're going to play against a bot. So first, we're going to import the random module to allow us to use code and functions inside it. Then we're going to do a function called getPlayerChoice. We're going to do while true, we're going to create a variable called choice, and then it'll ask us, enter your choice, rock, paper, scissors, or double up. We're going to use the lower function. Then we can enter an answer, and that answer is going to be stored in the choice variable. Then, if choice is in the list of valid answers, then it will return choice. Else, if it's invalid answer, it'll print invalid choice. Please choose from rock, paper, scissors, or double up. Then we're going to create a function called getBotChoice. We're going to return that choice rock, paper, or scissors, so the bot doesn't have the double up power up, and it will choose a random choice from these 3. Then we're going to have the play game function. We're going to have player choice and bot choice. Then if player choice is equal to double up, that means you use the double up power up. We're going to print use the double up power up. Then it's going to ask us for 2 choices, and it can be the same if you want for some reason. Then it'll show you what you played. You played blah 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 and blah blah blah. With the double up power up, then it will store it in the variable. Then it will print your choice and the bot's choice. Then if instance player choice is a tuple, it'll have 2 variables, player wins and bot wins. For item and player choice, if item is equal to bot choice or these cases where you win, it'll do player wins plus equals 1, else it'll add 1 to the bot wins variable. If player wins is equal to bot wins, it'll return it's a tie, else if player wins is more than bot wins, you win, and then else bot wins. If player choice is equal to bot choice, it'll return it's a tie, else if these winning cases for you, it'll return you win, else bot wins. And then the main code is print welcome to rock, paper, scissors with a double up power up.
It's like introducing the game.
So while true, player choice, it'll get your choice and the bot choice, and then it'll store the result in the result variable. Then it'll print the result if you win, you lose, or it's a tie. Then there's a choice to play again. Do you want to play again? Yes, no. And then if play again, if your answer is not yes, it will break, and then here we run the code. So now let's play. You want to go first?
You go first.
Okay, so first I'm just going to play regular. I'm going to do rock. Then bot chose paper, so bot wins.
That's sad.
Do yes. Which one should I choose now?
Double up.
Double up. You use the double up power up. Let's choose rock. So typos can be bad, so I add the extra space there. Then scissors.
So after your answer, you can't add an extra space or else it will be an invalid choice.
You chose rock, scissors, and bot chose scissors. You win because I had rock, so the scissors tied.
Okay, so I want to play now.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so
enter your choice.
double up. Okay. Scissors and paper.
Bot chose rock, so it's a tie because rock beats scissors, so the bot has 1 point, and paper beats rock, so you also have 1 point.
I don't
so
like
it's
ties.
0. Let's play again. One last time. Do you want to use double up?
Yeah. You choose one and I'll choose one. Double up.
I choose rock.
Okay, then I'll choose paper.
You chose paper and rock. Bot chose rock. We win because rock is a tie, and we beat the rock with the paper. So you can also do this with your friends and play together or by yourself.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.